So I know a lot of my Tesla friends are really gonna be excited for this one because we have brought you the Model S for kids back in the day. We brought you the Model Y for kids, the little toy that you could kind of sit on. We even created that into an RC car. But today, it's Cybertruck for kids. Anyway, a couple of you, my viewers, actually notified me about this product because I didn't even know it existed. And when I read your guys' comments that you sent me and even the link, I was like, there's no way that's real. Well, it's here, so hopefully it is real. But this is actually an Amazon find. This isn't something that Tesla has made in partnership with anybody, at least not yet. If it is, that partnership has been under wraps. And eventually maybe we'll see this pop up on Tesla's site, but I don't think it is actually a partnership with anybody. I think a company just decided to go off, make their own molds and everything, which is a trademark infringement. So maybe they'll take the listing down and everything. I don't know. I'll go ahead and link it down below. It may or may not be available still, but it's actually on Amazon. It's called the Modern Depot MX truck ride-on car with remote control, cyber style pickup truck, 12-volt electric car for kids to drive, painted silver. That is the title. They kind of show it. It looks exactly like the Cybertruck. It's remote control, but it's got a seat in it. It's got MP3, USB aux, charge port, Bluetooth, 2 times powerful motor, 4-wheel suspension, bigger, more comfortable. Anyway, they come in silver, black, gunmetal, blue, pink, or white. Actually, as of the time of filming, every single one is in stock. And it's only $269, which I believe is on scale for like what a typical ride-on car goes for kids. I don't have kids, I don't really know, but that's what I would assume they would go for. Now the Model S for kids for sale from Radio Flyer, that is an official in partnership with Tesla, actually goes for a minimum of $500, but you can actually get a premium battery, you can choose different colors, you can do silver instead of black wheels, accessories, you can buy new batteries, you can buy extra batteries, you can buy an indoor car cover, you can personalize your license plate, a parking sign, you can even now get bows with it. But anyway, that one's way more expensive, like more than double the price of this thing. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and unbox this, set this up. It does say some assembly required, so hopefully it's not too much. But again, I don't have kids, so I'm gonna play around with it a little bit, but hopefully we don't break it because I have a good friend, Greg, who doesn't live too far away with some kiddos that I'm sure would absolutely love this. So we're gonna go ahead and give that to him when we are done. But let's go ahead and get into it. MX truck, aka the knockoff Cybertruck, for any of you paying attention here. You have all your parts, your bits, your pieces. Here you have your assembly steps, so you kind of go, basically install your rear axle, install your front wheels, install your rear wheels. Install the windows, steering wheel, the windshield, connect the power unit, install the seat, install the music player. And then you have your control, which I didn't see that in the box, so it's gotta be in there somewhere, hopefully. And then just your safety stuff, your operation guide. Wow, okay. There's a lot of pages for a kid's toy. This is the controller. It can fit in the palm of my hand. It's small, okay, I was expecting bigger. There's the pedal. I'm a little big to put my foot in there, so that's why I love this. But I don't know what this does. Ducks? I don't know what that was. But let's take a closer look at the Cybertruck for kids. Okay, so first look, here we go. 1, love the back light. 2, love the front light even more. I wish there was another light, like right here. You can tell there's like vinyl or something. So maybe there was a plan to have another light here and they just didn't, I don't know. Anyway, would have been cool. Super easy to put together, wheels, great. I mean, it's a 2-door, obviously. It doesn't have 4 doors. It doesn't have the tonneau cover or whatever, but I don't know what the hell these are, but. So the one reason I would say this is probably never gonna be like an official Tesla one, at least not this one, is you do have exposed screws there and there. You have some there. Like Tesla's design wouldn't allow that. I can guarantee it. But overall, I think it looks pretty banging. You even have like a little safety seat. So this little thing you just turn and then you can pull out the whole seat. You have the go pedal. There's no brake. You have a little speaker down here. You have your whole like radio. It's Bluetooth everything, so you can be bumping jams. And here's how you go reverse or drive. You have your lights. Oh, so that turns them on and off. You have your horn. Ugh. This is for your radio. This is for your horn here. And also, I will be driving with the remote because I will not be able to reach that pedal. See? No problem. Okay, I think I'm a little wide to be in this, but here we go. It works. It would actually be kind of cool if you could drive the real Cybertruck with a remote, which has me thinking, could I drive a real Tesla with a remote? Maybe. I'd have to play around with it, but it's probably possible. Anyway, let's go ahead and get David out here and get his reaction. Don't mind the toilet. God, I was trying to miss that.
Future garage upgrade coming soon.
Anyway, stand back a little bit.
I already saw it.
So you can take it in.
Wow, look at that light bar.
I know.
Only thing is, I think the light bar is a little too thick.
That's what she said.
Because,
there's also no light bar up front, on top.
Also, why are there handles on the door? There's not supposed to be handles on the door.
I think they popped out on the original one.
There's no handles at all.
Oh, there's no handles.
Unless I'm confusing it with, maybe I'm confusing it with the Roadster.
Maybe. But also these are on the original, these are on the original. But hey, hey,
too,
it's not bad.
It's cool, yes, it looks kind of like the Cybertruck, but I guess this isn't an officially licensed one.
But overall, like, it's really not bad. I have to drive it with the remote. I can't actually do that, but if you sit in it, kind of like sit there, butt there, feet over.
What's this for?
It looked like they were gonna do a light bar, and then they just put like vinyl on it.
Okay.
But you can like sit in it and ride it around.
I mean, I think that especially little kids, they're not gonna know it's not official Tesla stuff. They're gonna think they have a Cybertruck. So
how long do we think it takes for Tesla to get this taken down?
I'm surprised it's not down already.
Wow. But I mean, it looks pretty cool. Yeah. I'm not gonna lie. So there you go. This is my first look at the Tesla Cybertruck for kids, but not officially licensed by Tesla. So it's kind of like a knockoff in a way, but I actually got a Cybertruck in 2021. I don't know how many people can really say that because they have been delayed since 2022. Can't wait to get our real Cybertrucks though. This will just have to suffice until then. But that's basically it for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. As always, huge thanks to our channel sponsor, Abstract Ocean. If you're looking to accessorize your Tesla Model S, X, 3, or Y, definitely check them out. All linked down below. And using code Tesla Inventory will get you 15% off of your first purchase. But yeah, that's basically it. Don't forget to thumbs up if you enjoyed that video. Go and click here to subscribe here for some other ones. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Shut down.
Oh, it even says shut down.
Hold it up, we gon' burn it down.